Cole here with Inner Team. Just wanted to make another video showing you how to add extensions using Google Ads Editor. Before we get to that though, first we will pull our accounts. One of these accounts I have not integrated with Ads Editor, so this is actually a good opportunity to show you how to do that. So you click Add under the Accounts Manager, open in browser, you guys sign in. Those are all my emails. Don't steal my identity. And here, yes, we have to pull the grants account. This client has both a grants account and a paid account. So we're going to be uploading the site links to, or the extensions to both accounts. And boom, there you have it. So first we'll go ahead and get recent changes. That'll take a minute. So while that's going on, maybe it won't take a minute. Yeah, so that is the grants account. Now we're going to go into our trusted copy document. In this doc, we have all of the extensions that we have made for this client. I actually need to edit this. We need to have the full URL here instead. Oh. So we'll start with the site links. We have our headline text for the site link. I think it's called link text, actually. Description 1, description 2, and our URL. So I'm actually going to paste all of this stuff in here. You'll see why when I just upload it. Final URL, description 2, description 1, headline text. And then I'm going to copy all of this, go back into Google Ads Editor, go to the shared library, asset library, site links, make multiple changes, and then paste. So need to make sure that these are mapped correctly. So first one is the link text. That's like the headline for a site link. Don't import the character count. Don't import the character count. Description 1, description 2, and final URL. Good to go. Finish and review changes. Awesome. So that's good. This has been uploaded to the shared library. Unfortunately, that's not where things stop. But first of all, after you add the site links to your shared library, you then have to add them into the actual account. You'll click Add Site Link, add to the account level, and at the account level, you should have all of your site links. So you're going to select all of them. Click pause. I'm going to leave those ones that we just added active. You can add all of these extensions to your ads, right? They're just like little features that make your ads look better. We'll have a look at some of them. You can look at these within Google Ads under assets. And then these are all of the different types of extensions. So they show up at the bottom like that. It's a couple of different types of ways that they show. Google's been testing different formats for these too. You can set these at a number of different levels. If you set it at the account, then these extensions will show across all campaigns, right? So usually certain extensions are going to perform better within certain campaigns. So you don't really want to do this. I like to add all of the extensions at the account level paused, so that if we want to, we can go into Google Ads, filter for the account level, have all campaigns selected, and do all asset statuses. I filter by, I created this custom column for high intent leads, and I filter by high intent leads, scroll down, and I can see, okay, which assets are actually getting the best results across all of my campaigns. Yeah. So, and then you can see exactly that, which assets are performing best. Really useful information. Like even now I'm seeing this. I'm seeing these two extensions, which are hospitality related for this client Sitelinks, who has a couple different industries, are really high performing. So I'm going to actually add them into a couple of hospitality focused campaigns. Useful information, right? But I learned that because I added them to the account level paused. That's why you saw me adding every single extension at the account level, right? And I'm leaving these on because I think they're... Actually, I'm going to pause these too because this particular client, we're doing French ads. So we don't want English site links active in the French campaigns. So once you've added everything to the account level, then do the same for the ad groups, because you may someday want to look and see which extensions are performing best at the ad group level. Keep those paused too, purely observational. And we'll also do it at the campaign level. Boom. Okay. Some of these already exist in the campaigns, so we'll need to move them. There's like a couple ways you can do this really fast. You know what? I might actually undo some of this because I'm just realizing we might not want those French ads in the English campaign and vice versa, or French site links in the English campaign. Yeah, so for the French one, I'll take the active campaign level ads or campaign level site links and paste them into the ad groups, and then some that already exist at the ad group level. So we want to pause this at the ad group level. Now that that's been done, I'm just going to go through these and uncheck the French ones. So, okay, you see any others? Say, prendra. Am I missing anything? I think we're good. So this is English. Paste it in there. Cool. So now we're going to go into that campaign because we have a number of active site links in there. I'm actually going to get data so that I can pause some of these because you can only have 20 site links available or active at once. I have a custom view saved, so I'll use general. The main ones are going to be... Sorry, I'm just pausing all of these. Yeah. The main ones are going to be in this order. I'm big on ordering them a certain way as well. Cost impressions, clicks, average CPC, CTR. And then you'll go to conversions, cost per conversion, conversion rate. If you have a lot of conversions and you've got your conversion value set up correctly, you can then add conversion value metrics too. And there you go. So I've enabled the extensions I want to use. The campaign level, that is 15. So I can actually enable 4 more. And there you go. Once you're done, you just click post, and that'll post it to the campaign.